or the screen that steals our time. Well, we can change before it's gone. The world is waiting, wide and free, beyond the screen for all to see. And never let a screen become your home, lost in screens in lieu of friends. Or put the phone, let's hear the beauty in every sound. Every morning when the sunlight shines, we wake up staring at glowing signs. Life is more than the lights and views. Don't let the screen keep chasing you. Caught up in the life online, in lieu of love and friends. And Lord, we are here always connected and yet alone. Silently it draws our blood up to the bone. And then we find ourselves out here, we are alone. Look up at the sky and feel the rain.